Good morning, students. In last class, we have started the review tab. Review tab consists of 6 groups. Those are proofing, comments, tracking, changes, and compare. So, proofing group consisting of the commands like spelling and grammar. Second one is research. Research itself consists of 3 sub-commands. Those are thesaurus, translate, translation screen tip. Then next command was set language and word count. So proofing group first command is spelling and grammar. So it is a powerful tool which automatically check the spelling and grammar in a paragraph or an entire document. So if you do any mistakes on the spellings, it shows a red wavy underline, and if you do any grammatical mistakes on that time, it shows a green wavy underline. With the help of this wavy underlines, we can easily spot them the mistakes. So for example, instead of I will type the word as good morning, instead of good I will type gud, then morning. So it shows here red wavy underline. So normally we are using a dictionary. So in a dictionary, we can easily identify the synonym words. So same way, MS Word also provides a spelling and grammar tool. With the help of that one, we can easily correct that one. So how to do correct that one? So step one is that we have to select the mistaken word, then click on spelling and grammar. So it opens a dialog box. In the first dialog box, in first text box, it shows a mistaken word in red color. Here it shows in a red wavy underline, and these are the suggestions. Instead of good, you want god, good, gad, gud, god, guz. Different options are gum, gun, guy. So whatever you want, so you can select it from the suggestions. Here I will select a good option. Then here different options are there, different buttons are there. If I click on change button, automatically GUD changes to GOOD. Second button is change all. If the same GUD mistaken word comes elsewhere in the paragraph or elsewhere in the entire document, on that time, so we can easily change at a time by click on change all button. Next one is ignore once. For example, if my this GUD itself is the correct, means GUD word is correct, on that time I can click on ignore once button and remove that red wavy underline. Then ignore all. So if this word comes elsewhere in the document and it shows a red wavy underline, and if I want to remove that red wavy underline, on the time you click on ignore all button. Next one is add to dictionary. So if I use this mistaken word next time, and if it doesn't show any red wavy underline, on that time we can add this word to the dictionary. When it adds to the dictionary, on that time, if you type GUD, then it doesn't show red wavy underline. Next one is autocorrect. So here, which automatically corrects the word. Now I will click on here change button. So, word finished checking the selection. Do you want to continue checking the remainder of the document? So just click on yes, click on OK. This is about the spelling and grammar. Here, okay. Now the second option is research. So research consists of thesaurus. So in last class we discussed thesaurus are used for finding the synonyms and antonyms. Synonyms are those so which gives a similar meaning for the word, and we can find the antonyms also, so which all the words are appear on the right side. So it is called as task pan. Then translate option. This option is used to convert from one language to another language. In from language, so normally we type the paragraph in English and in which language we want to translate, so you can use that language. Then in translation screen tips, so while translating, if I want screen tips regarding particular language, on that time you can use a translation screen tip option. Then set language, in which language we have to type, so on that time we have to click on set language button. So for example, if I want to type in Kannada, you can use the Kannada language, but to use that Kannada language, I want a application. Normally, you know, Baraha and Nudu. Same way, if I want to type in French language or Spanish language, on that time you have to install that app, then only this command will work. And last one is word count. So word count, as a name itself indicates, it doesn't used to count the number of words. It is used to count the number of pages, number of lines, number of words, number of characters with space, number of characters without space. So now I will click on word count option. See here. So pages 1. So one page is there. Words are 4. That is review, tab, good, and morning. Characters no space, characters with space. So these are 20 and 22. Then I have written here two lines. Still it considered it as a paragraphs 2 and lines as well as 2. Okay. Next one is comments. This is important. So what is comment? So comments are nothing but explanations given to a particular word. It's a 2 marks question. Comments are explanation given to a particular word. I will show how to include the or how to give the explanation to a particular word. So for example, I will give a explanation for this word. So gallery. So what I will do is that I will select this galleries option, then click on review tab, comments group. Here click on new comment. So here comment option is there. I have to give the explanation for this one. What is gallery? So gallery, it is not, it is a collection of parag pictures, audios, and video. If I want to give the comment for change option, so again select change option, then click on new comment. So here change, where we can replace the words. So you can give the explanation for that particular word. Instead of typing number of paragraphs here, what we can do is that you can select that word and give explanation to that particular word in the comment box. Now I want to delete this one, or if I want to move the comment from this is second comment, this is the first comment. If I want to move the previous comment, you can click on previous. If I want to move to the next one, click on next. So alternatively we can change it. Now the last one is delete. Here what we can do is that if I want to delete a single comment, delete a single comment. So here you can easily identify. So this is in a very dark color, it is in a light color. When it is a dark color means it is a active mode. If I want to delete this one, you just click on delete button. And if I want to delete all comments at a time, you click on delete all comment. So automatically it deletes. So in next class we can learn tracking changes, compare and protect. Thank you.